Good day. My name is Yogi from University Informatik and Business Indonesia. Allow me to present my research uh, entitled Comparative Analysis of the Performance of AES and RSA Encryption Algorithm in Password Use. My background: advancements in digital technology have increased the need for information security. The risk of personal data breach increase with internet use. Previous research focused on general data encryption performance, not much has directly discussed AES versus RSA for password security. Improving digital security system with optimal encryption, providing technical guidance on selecting algorithm for password protection, making scientific contribution to the field of cryptography and information security. Formulation of the problem: how does the performance of the AES and RSA encryption algorithm compare in encrypting and decrypting common password? To what extent do the AES and RSA algorithm offer security in the context of password security? Which encryption algorithm is optimal for password security based on, on the result of the performance and security analysis? Research purpose conducts a comparative performance analysis between the AES and RSA encryption algorithm in the encryption and decryption process for a dataset of common password. Evaluate the efficiency and security offered by each algorithm based on experimental testing. Provide data-driven recommendation regarding the most optimal algorithm for use in securing common password, both in terms of technical performance and resilience to potential attack. Object of research: the AES Advanced Encryption Standard algorithm is a symmetric encryption algorithm. The RSA reversal middleman algorithm is an asymmetric encryption algorithm. Password are data encrypt and decrypt using both algorithms. Research flow: the research follow a structure, follow the analysis, and compare the performance of the AES and RSA encryption algorithm. In the context of password usage, the process began with the formulation of the problem, where the study in the depth the core issue, how to ensure the security of password through encryption, and how its algorithm perform in achieving that goal. Following this, the research objectives are defined, which include evaluating the performance and assessing the security level of both AES and RSA. When used to encrypt password to support an analysis, a theoretical framework is established by reviewing relevant cryptography concepts and prior studies, particularly focusing focusing on the principle and characteristic of AES and RSA. In the data preparation stage, a dataset of password is collected, filtered based on specific criteria, such a minimum character length, unique, and formatting, to ensure the only valid entries are used for encryption testing. Once the data is ready, the algorithm implementation phase begins. Is implemented using the cheaper blockchaining mode, while RSI employs the PKCS1 OAP module, which is a standard padding scheme designed to enhance RSA security. To assess performance, both algorithms are tested by measuring and comparing the encryption and decryption execution time. AES using CBC mode, perform fast and consistent processing, while RSA utilizing PKCS1 OS OAEP involves more complex mathematical operation, resulting in longer processing time. Security is the evaluate through to attack simulation. AS and RSA is subjected to a brute force attack to determine how long it will take for an attacker to guess encrypt password. AS and RSA is tested using a timing attack with examines the decryption time pattern to detect potential vulnerability. These tests provide insight into both the efficiency and the resilience of the encryption method under realistic threat scenario. Next slide, results and execution algorithm implementation. The encrypt output of AES is shorter than RSA because AES is a symmetric encryption algorithm where RSA is asymmetric. In RSA, in symmetric encryption like AES, the ciphertext is only slightly larger than the original plain text. Since the encryption operation of fixed size data block 121 to 8 bits and does not require large public or private key operation. On the other hand, RSA use asymmetric encryption principle involving public and private key, pair and relies on complex mathematical operation. RSA encrypt data in specific block size, so the result ciphertext is significantly large, even for small input like password. Next slide, encryption and decryption time. In the AES algorithm, the results show that encryption and decryption times tend to be stable and increase linearly with increasing data volume. In the RS algorithm, encryption and especially decryption time show a fairly drastic increase with increasing data volume. RSA is not designed to encrypt large amounts of data. Next slide, safety test, brute force. The graph, the graph brute force AS uh, illustration of comparison of brute force execution time between the AES and RSA encryption algorithm on password the where successful guess the attack was conducted using a dictionary attack approach where the decrypt output was matched against a list of commonly used passwords. The result showed a total of 10 passwords were successful with of the 1000 entries for both AS and RSA. Each point on the graph represents the time taken to guess of single password. The blue curve, which represents AS, indicate the brute force time were relative low and stable, with no attempt taking longer than 0.20 second per password. On the other hand, the red curve representing RSA show a more fluctuating pattern with generally higher execution time, peaking at over 0.0035 seconds. This difference aligns with the nature of the RSA algorithm, which use asymmetric cryptography kernel for its mathematically complex encrypt and decryption process compared to AES, which is a symmetric algorithm with simpler computational steps. Although the AES algorithm demonstrates faster brute force execution times, than RSA. This this does not suggest that AES is less secure. The time difference are primarily due to the structural difference in how its algorithm operate rather than a weakness in their cryptography strength. Next slide, a safety test timing attack. Based on the test results visualized in the decryption time, comparison graph between AES and RSA algorithm on the 1000 password sample, there is a significant performance gap between the two. The AES algorithm demonstrates extremely fast and consistent decryption time, averaging around 0.00003 seconds per password. This value remains relative stable across all samples, indicating that AES operate efficiently and show virtually no timing fluctuation during the decryption process. As a result, AES is highly resistant to timing attack, as it does not reveal any meaningful information through variation in decryption time. In contrast, the RSA algorithm recognize significant longer and more variable decryption times with a average of approximate 0.00185 seconds per password. This variability suggests the RSA is more vulnerable to timing attack, as the difference in decryption duration can potentially be exploited by attacker to infer internal information such as key or message content. As an asymmetric cryptography algorithm, RSA inherently requires more complex mathematical operation compared to AES, which use symmetric encryption. Conclusion: in the term of performance, the AES algorithm demonstrates significantly faster encryption and decryption times than RSA. In terms of security against brute force attack, both AES and RSA are capable of maintaining data relatively secure. However, a brute force attack successful guesses 10 passwords from the tested data, indicating that the weakness lies not in the algorithm but in the use of weak or common password observing the brute force attack time. AES requires less time than RSA. RSA excel in key exchange and secure public key communication, but is not ideal for encryption large amount of data due to its high computational complexity. Meanwhile, AES is ideal for local stock and bulk data encryption due to its high efficiency. A combination of algorithm hybrid encryption is possible, with RSA used for secure key exchange and AES for bulk data encryption. This approach combines the strength of both algorithms in terms of security and efficiency. That's all. Thank you.